So, I mean, when we talk about SaaS, we think about software as a service, but I think what we're entering into is a service as a software era. So it's actually reverse, right? So what AI agents can do is enable customers to make their own software, right? If you think about it, what AI can do really, really well is coding, because programming language is a lot simpler than the regular natural language that you use. So you hear all these things about how AI platforms are really, really good at coding now. So if you take that to its logical conclusion, a lot of the customers will no longer buy software, right? They'll just make their own software, because making software is going to become incredibly efficient. With the advent of AI agents, you could actually think about a service that you want and make that into software, because AI agents will make that for you, and in itself becomes AI agent. So if you can imagine a service that you need, there's all these business processes that you can think of, and think of that as a service, and you can just ask the AI to make that as a software. So we're definitely entering a whole new era. If last 20 years people got really excited about software as a service, where you can consume software almost like a service, I think now we're entering an era of automating a lot of the manual processes that we have into software. Because what is software at the end? Software is really automating the things that we need to do, right? So AI is really good at that. So everything that we thought about, digitalizing every operation and taking advantage of the new technology to create new revenue streams. So it goes beyond just saving money. It's really a whole new way of doing business. And I think it's really a key piece of technology that's going to drive the growth of BESPIN Global in the future. But we still need a couple more steps, right? In order for that reality to become commonplace, where everybody can take advantage of it, enterprises and as well as small customers gonna need some kind of tool to make those type of software. So that's where the agent platform like HelpNow comes in. So we've been investing and we've been developing a HelpNow platform for the past 5 years. So what HelpNow is an enterprise AI platform. It's a set of tools to help customers to make their own AI agents. So as we enter into agentic era, every company is going to have many agents, and every individuals will have many agents as well. A tool like HelpNow, where you can make your own AI agents and manage it, because it's not just once and forget it. It's actually something that you have to manage on an ongoing basis and continue to optimize and continue to make it better, is going to become a crucial part of this service as a software era. So BESPIN Global, we started as a service provider, and we've been doing it with a lot of human capital, human input, and that will continue. But it will be greatly aided by our own AI agents that's going to automate a lot of things that we're doing manually. So internally, we have a product called Tibana, which is built on top of the HelpNow platform. It's an AI agent for cloud MSPs. So we have a lot of customer questions that come in and customer tickets that come in, and after reading them, we have to take certain actions. And we've been doing that with humans. And with Tibana, we're automating a lot of it. And that's using the generative AI. And we built that with a HelpNow AI platform. And that's just the start. And if you go into different vertical industries, everybody has their own unique requirements. Every industry has their own unique requirements, whether it's a pharmaceutical companies for drug discovery, whether it's airlines with their revenue optimization or passenger handling, and whether it's the set manufacturers that have to raise the quality of the appliances that they make. Just imagine, just every walks of life and every industry is going to have their own unique set of requirements, and it comes with a unique set of processes that they have to follow. And a lot of these things can now be automated with the help of AI, right? So at BESPIN Global, we're going to be going more into vertical industries. Before, when we're playing purely in the infrastructure layer, We didn't have to worry about the vertical segmentation because infrastructure was pretty universal and everybody needed the same technology. So as we go into this AI agent era, we're going to go into vertical industries, right? So that's the next phase of BESPINglobal, from horizontal, service provider to vertical service provider. Very inevitably, the march of progress, you cannot stop it, so you got to get on with it, right? You cannot sit on the sidelines, and we can help you do that. What BESPINglobal can do is immediately what we can help you is helping you adapt cloud and AI or something new. But why? Because you don't want to be sitting on the sideline. All this excitement's happening and you don't want to be kind of sidelined and sitting somewhere outside and watching it and then envying what's going on, right? You got to be part of the movement, and not only just a part, but you should be leading the movement. And in this new era of a service as software, and when anybody can make software, right? And literally anybody can make software now. You should be at the very forefront of it. And that's how you're gonna win. So with all these new technologies, it opens up both challenges and opportunities, because the challenge is you gotta learn something new and you gotta be able to understand it and then apply it to your environment and then do it in a way that's cost efficient and safe and secure. All those things are important. And if you're good, if you're really good, you can do it all on your own. That's fine, that's great. But I think for a lot of the companies and a lot of the customers, they're gonna need help, and we're there to do it. And and we feel good about doing it, because just like in everything that we do, it's helping you adopt. There's a word help, and even our AI agent platform is called HelpNow. That's in our blood, that's in our DNA. So we're ready and willing. If the customers are so gracious to accept us, then we're there to help customers to take advantage of these possibilities. Like, change is the only constant, but what are you gonna do? So what are you gonna do? When you are faced with all these changes, and changes are coming at you at a rapid pace, you could sit idly by, or you could just jump in with both feet. And Bespin is there to help you do that.